Is everything in the fridge that should be in the fridge right now? I don't know, what's this here? That's a crayfish tail sitting out on the bench. Oh, there's another one over there.
I don't know why I don't listen about leaving our meat and our proteins out.
1 hour on the bench equates to 1 day of freshness. Lamb neck fillets, what are you doing, mate?
I'm going to make a pie. I've got these lovely lamb neck fillets. I'm just going to sear them all off and then put them in the pressure cooker with summer vegetables.
It just sort of screams winter, doesn't it?
Well, it does. It's not easy to make a pie in 90 minutes. I'm going to be really pushed for time.
I've never cooked with beef cheeks before. For today's heads and tails challenge, I'm going to make a gnocchi with caramelised onion puree, a reduction of the sauce and slow-cooked beef cheeks.
You're not moving very fast. Are you quite, 90 minutes is a long time?
No, I'm just trying not to stress out. I want to stay calm. Inside, I'm always freaking out.
And a little bit stressed about cooking crayfish. The only dishes that I've ever cooked with crayfish is my nana's curried crayfish and crayfish that's just come out of the pot, dipped in vinegar and salt. So a little bit scared on what I can do for the judges to make them wow. Just needing some dough. So I decided I'm making crispy crayfish tacos with a kiwi fruit salsa.
Hello, Chris. How are you?
How are you?
Good, very good.
You happy with the oxtail?
Yeah, I am. As soon as we sort of said seconds, I had a dish in mind that I was going to do. I'm going to do an oxtail ossobuco, a parmesan polenta, and then I'm going to do some fresh veggies on the side just to make it, a bit
punch
vibrant.
of flavour in there.
Yeah, definitely.
Good.
With this oxtail, I know it's going to taste strong, so I'm going to have to make sure all the other flavours balance each other out.
Josh, this sort of challenge, I bet it's up there as far as they go for you and I think. We love this sort of cooking, don't we?
You can cook this style of food at any level. You get these second-grade braising cuts served at 3-star Michelins and you get them served at pubs. I think it's an outstanding challenge.
Guys that have got the secondary cuts, they've got 90 minutes, they've got plenty of time to put some lovely ingredients around it. The guys who have got essentially, some would say the easier way out with a crayfish tail, they better nail it because they've got so much time.
Crayfish man.
Yeah, bring it on.
Are you feeling confident?
Yeah. Do a lot of free diving, so crayfish for me is, pretty ordinary.
For breakfast?
Yeah.
It's got to be some wow in it.
Yep.
I've cooked a lot with crayfish. I know the flavours. I know how to cook it perfectly.
What are you going to do?
I'm going to butter poach the crayfish, and then I'm going to make a fennel cream foam, cabbage mayonnaise, and then some lightly pickled Granny Smith apples.
I'm looking forward to seeing it.
Yeah. Hopefully it comes together well.
Today, I'm looking for a classic flavour combination. Red wine, mushroom, beef.
So what are we cooking?
I am making grilled lobster tail with a German spätzle.
Are you?
And a parsley sauce.
People that might not know it is. It's like a dough recipe, almost similar to a pasta.
Yes, it's
a very wet pasta where you scrape and you get little worm-like things.
Yes,
Spätzle.
irregular shapes.
I love the fact that you actually know this technique and
Yeah.
Tell you what, you've got so much knowledge about food. You really do.
I really like it. I'm just hoping to get the flavors right.
A lot of people have good food knowledge. I'm just Chinese. We tend not like to brag.
I only have one cray to work with, and that is the hero of the dish, so I cannot overcook it.
No.
My plan is to boil it and then finish it on the grill and put it on top of the spätzle. How does that sound?
Are you asking me, or are you looking for advice? You're always fishing for something, aren't you? Aren't you?
You're the expert.
Ben, how are you?
Good.
You're very happy with that choice that was made for you?
Yeah, a couple of things I want to pull off, and I think cheeks will lean well to the dish that I'm putting together.
So what are you going to do?
It's always been a little bit of a faux pas to do Mexican, because everybody jumps to that immediate nachos, that sloppy chili con carne on a plate.
Mexican's beautiful if you can pull it off.
Absolutely, and that's what I'm looking to do. It's an opportunity to go into the top 10. I really, really need to knock this one out of the park.
Hi, Jemima. What are we making today?
So I've got a beef cheek, so I've got that in a bit of tomato, a bit of red wine vinegar, and it's just going to cook out in there, and I'm going to make a pasta, mini lasagna sheets. I love making pasta. I've made it a few times before, but I haven't made pasta in this competition yet. I feel like I need to show them I can do a technique.
What are you doing, Jem?
I'm doing an oxtail cannelloni.
And then what flavours are you introducing?
Goat's cheese,
Goat's cheese,
beetroot and black olive.
What form are they going to take?
The goat's cheese will be in a mousse or foam.
Yep.
Black olive is a chill.
Okay.
If I get time. The beetroot is just roasted beetroot, which I need to get onto now. And I'm going to have a sweet syrup with pomegranate and port in it as well.
Okay, so like a few of the challenge, you've got a bit flustered because you've done too much.
Yeah. Today I'm doing 7 elements. I like to put a lot into my food, and generally it does have a lot of elements, and that's just me. That's what I do.
Now, you've all been in the MasterChef kitchen plenty of times. Think about the feedback that we've given to you over the challenges. Do you need to work on a tidy bench? Is everything in the fridge that should be in the fridge right now? I don't know, what's this here? That's a crayfish tail sitting out on the bench. Oh, there's another one over there.
I don't know why I don't listen about leaving our meat and our proteins out.
1 hour on the bench equates to 1 day of freshness.
I'm fasting. Get that crayfish tail into the fridge until I'm ready.
I love the smell of pressure cookers in the morning. That is halfway gone, guys. 45 minutes have gone. You've got 45 minutes left to go. Who wants to be in the top 10?
Me.
Yeah.
Yes, let's do it, guys.
Everybody wants to be top 10. Everybody wants to get through. It's high stakes, and I want to get in.
Today's big. Someone is definitely going to be leaving, and it would just suck if you left before you made it to the top 10.
Feel great. You know, I feel like I did, you know, a lot better than all my other challenges. I felt like I was cool, calm, collected.
Chris, you've had some rough times in the MasterChef kitchen. Is this your redemption day? Is this the redemption dish?
Yeah, I think so. I think I had a really good day in the kitchen today, and I just sort of tried to bring it back rather than trying to do things that I'm not comfortable with and just cook how I usually cook, you know?
Oh, well, we're looking forward to trying it. So if you leave us to taste now.
Awesome, guys.
Thank you very much.
Hope you enjoyed. Cheers.
Thanks, Chris.
Cheers.
I've sort of put my heart on the plate there, so I'm hoping for great feedback.
I think it's a nice dish, and nice is not a great word, I don't think. It's just a dish that sort of feels middle of the road to me. I just sort of feel it needs more gravy, it needs more richness.
Good dish, but, you know, a little bit more refinement could have been great.
It's like Al says, it's nice. I just need more, you know, I want more.
I'm taking my plate up to the judges. My heart is thumping. I really do not know how well the cray is cooked.
Making spatula, you use the oldest school technique there is, you know, scraping off the board.
Yes.
Well done.
Yes, thank you.
Leave us to taste it. Thanks, Lily.
If it's not done to perfection, I might be going home today.
Presentation-wise, I think Lily's done a really nice job.
Taking the hour and a half on the crayfish tail and getting a lot done around it. Well, let's try it.
Yeah. Yeah, I love that. You know, she's put a lot of work into it, a lot of techniques. It's delicious.
Yeah, I think exactly that. She's taken what's a really amazing piece of crayfish and she's matched it with some real humble applications.
You know, technically, she keeps exciting me.
I mean, the guys have got to seriously watch their backs because she can cook.
If there's one horse that's starting to nudge ahead, I think it might be Lily.